This is room 616 at the Hard Rock Hotel in Daytona Beach. This is a 2-queen oceanfront sun porch room. And we'll just walk straight in so you can see the star of the show is this balcony. We'll go out in just a second. We are here doing off season, so they are renovating the pool down here. But right there, that's the stage where a lot of shows are. As I spin around, 2 queen beds. We have a lamp. We have some reading lamps on the backboard. Pillows, little guitars on them. Then we have an iHome clock. We have 2, looks like USBs. Typical drawer. And as I spin around, you'll see we have a chair with an ottoman, television. We do have 2 bottles of water with an ice bucket. Hamilton Beach coffee. So you'll have to use the little pods that they give you. Then there's a whole thing of Q&A right here as you come in. Checkout's at 11. You can get dry cleaning if you'd like. You can order room service, and you actually can use this one for that. You scan the QR code, order it, pay for it, they deliver it. Very simple. These are our keys. So you can get a regular key, and then you can also get these that you wear on your wrist. You can charge things to them. It opens your door. And then we come over this way, and we have a sliding door for the closet. We have 2 robes, terry cloth robes, bag for your laundry if you choose, with a ironing board, and the iron is down there. And then on the other side, you will find your digital safe, as well as a couple of drawers. We have a full-length mirror, nice hardwoods. The bathroom, it looks like we have a rainforest shower head. Some of their amenities, sweetgrass. One sink. And then back out here, let's see what's, I don't see a chest of drawers. I do see, my husband opened this, a little cooler. Don't think it's cold. Yeah, that's just like the little mini coolers. Don't put anything dairy or perishable in that. But I don't see a chest of drawers, so it looks like just those drawers, and then the drawers right here, if you're gonna unpack. But this view, I mean, can we talk about this view? Of course we have blackout curtains here, right? Because you're gonna need them. But you can literally, I'm sitting on the bed. Wow. Okay, and then it's gonna get kind of loud because of the ocean. We are here in January. So again, it's off season. I can't show you the actual pool, but I will find some pictures and drop them in so you can see, because they're working on it right now. Sorry about the wind, but the stage is right here. That's where the pool would be. There's another pool right there. And there's another pool right there. Sorry about the wind, guys. Little dancing area down here. I'm sure there's tons of events that happen. And then just the beach. This is the balcony. So we've got 2 chairs, a little table. Yeah, I could sit here and just be content. It's a little windy today, but on a day when I'm wanting just to be at the beach. Okay, cool.
Okay, and there's 2 waters.
Thank you.
And 2 big tubs. There you go, buddy. You remember how to do it?
I don't, we haven't been here.
Oh, I thought you were, you seem like you already knew what you were doing.
No, well, we do it other places, but just not here. Okay.
Smells good.
Yeah, it does. Okay. Yeah. This is a little bit. Start last one.
Okay, so the steam's coming out there.
Okay.
So watch your leg. You can turn the shower on. When it gets to 110, that's whenever it's ready, and then it'll run for 20 minutes.
Okay.
So you just turn the shower on to get, now we'll make the steam.
Okay.
And it's only this 1 year old, so you guys can just use the same.
Perfect.
Any questions?
Oh, good.
You good?